Okay, there is a crazy large pile of boxes right next to me because I was actually given a bunch of stuff from Temu, which honestly I've been hearing so much about Temu on TikTok and Instagram and YouTube. So I'm really excited that we're doing a partnership today. They sent me a bunch of really cool gardening stuff that I'm gonna go ahead unbox. And what's also really cool is they're giving you all a really awesome discount. You can get 50% off your entire order. I'll include the code right here of what you'd put in, and I'll also include it down in the description what you need to do to qualify. But we're gonna go ahead and unbox all of these items here together. This is over $100 in items, which at Temu, $100 goes a lot further than the grocery store, which is awesome. I mean, I wish the grocery store would go further with $100, but we love getting stuff for a good price, and Temu has some really great things. So let's go ahead and start the unboxing. I got myself a handy dandy knife so we can cut into these guys. Okay, so let's start with this box here. I honestly have no clue which one this is. Get a little ASMR for you. Ooh, okay. So this is our birdhouse that we got. What's really cool is the back is clear, so you can actually see the nest being built in here. So we'll go ahead and hang this up. I'm gonna go ahead and open all of them, but I'll show you B-roll of hanging them up and showing what everything looks like. So we'll put this outside after, but love this because you have the back where you can see everything that's going on. And then it came with stuff to hang and a little post. Ooh. Locks into place. And then we have, you can either hang it right directly on a window. So if you wanted to see it, hang it from your window if you have cats or kids, this might be great. Or you can also hang it from a tree. I think we'll probably hang it from a tree, but it's good to know that you can use these little suction guys and put them on your window. Oh, we have another birdhouse. Okay, love this one. So I did just natural birdhouses. I was thinking I might stain them or paint them. Really love this. It's nice thick wood, nice thick wire to hang it from, and a good size hole. So really excited to hang this guy. You can nicely tighten it into place so it'll stay here and the little bird will find its home. Okay, I think I know what these are. I believe that these are potato bags. So this year we planted our potatoes straight into our raised garden beds, which honestly is really annoying because you have to like dig in there and you're like deep in your arms trying to get them, and I don't even know if we got them all. So I really wanted to get potato bags to plant everything this year. So these came in a few different colors. I got the green because I just thought it would go well. Nice, they're pretty large size. I believe they came in a few different sizes, so you can order different ones on there. They have a little looking glass. I can get it open. Velcro portion here, so you can kind of push your arms in here, grab anything out. And this is great for any type of root vegetable that you might want to grow. You can do onions in here. We're definitely going to do potatoes and sweet potatoes in here. And then there's also holes in the bottom for drainage as well as the sides. And they have handlebars. It's a 4-pack. It's better than I thought. And I'll include everything linked down below of exactly what I got, but really nice. Really good quality, definitely a good waterproofing material, but still really lightweight. So you can carry these around, and then when potatoes are ready, you can just dump them out and you don't have to be sticking your arms all the way in there. The next thing here is trimmers. So these are going to be pruning scissors for the garden. I can tell already they come in a few different colors. I got the green ones. They have a really nice, good spring back here, and then they also lock into place so you can store them better. We have a bunch of pruning to do. We do fall pruning here at our garden, so I think these are going to be great for some fall pruning. So I'll show you exactly what they look like when we're using them.
I like these a lot. Easy to cut with, like a rubbery feel, so it's easy in your hand. Lock feature's nice. Unlock.
Okay, another one similar fabric looking to those potato bags. Let's see what this is. Ooh, okay, so these are hanging bags. So you can see that they have little holes in them for your fruits and veggies here. Okay, so this is a 2-pack of hanging strawberry bags. So they have nice hanging pieces, and then they have 8 different holes that are poked in here. I don't know if you can see that. So you can fill this up with dirt, and then you can go ahead and do more of a vertical garden. I'm really excited. This year we did everything in our raised garden beds, and I want to be able to do a more vertical growing. I think it looks really pretty, and it really utilizes a lot of this space. So really excited about this. Also, strawberries are crazy. Once you plant them, they will come year and year again. So they are going to be a perennial as long as you care for them correctly, and they spread like wildfire if you do not go in and keep it clean. So I think it'll be nice to have something vertical that not necessarily is going to take over an entire 8 or 16 foot bed that we have out there. So really excited about these, and you can also put different types of things in here as well, maybe tomatoes or peppers. So really excited to test these out this coming year. I think that's going to be really cool. Okay, this is not something I really need to unwrap too much, but it's a nice little sign. I love decorating our coop and homestead, and I just thought this was a fun little sign. It's really great quality. I'm also really excited about this for our planting season. Basically, it's a nice wooden handlebar, and you just put this into the ground so that you can make holes. So instead of using your shovel and having the hole concave into you, it's a nice cone shaped here, so you can just get this into the ground. And honestly, this seems like a really nice quality. It has measurements on the side over here, so it has up to 5 inches. So depending on what you're planting, you can know how deep you're actually going for that seed. So I think this is going to be really, really nice come spring growing season. Oh, I'm really excited about these. So looking at this, you might not be able to figure out exactly what it is, so I'll unwrap it. Okay, so this is a nice foamy texture. You can see it's a good amount. Oh, actually there's 4 of them in here. I thought that was 1. So we have a 4-pack of these nice textured items, and they are washable, and you can put this in your chicken coop where your nesting boxes are. So right now we just have hay, but this is great because it's a nice soft surface. You don't always have to be replacing the hay, and this way your eggs are going to be prone to less breakage because you have this nice foam layer on here. It's really thin, and it also has nice holes in here, so if you do have any cracked eggs, you will go down and it won't cause them to get dirty, and then you can always power wash this or just hose it off. Oh no, I'm coming on my last few items. Okay. This one, deceiving. You don't really know what this is. Confusing. Oh, it's very sticky. Alright, well, maybe I'll put it on this little holder. This is a fruit fly catcher ball thing. Oh my gosh, can't get it in here. There's a little hole to insert it, and I am just, oh, there we go. So there is double-sided tape, but I actually want to just put this in our kitchen. We've been having so many fruit flies as we go into fall, and I just want to make sure that I'm protecting our house. So I'll put this out on our kitchen table, and hopefully it starts to attract little buggies. Oh, it is very sticky. Very interesting. And it says that it's heat resistant, which is really insane, and it's citrusy. I don't know. I don't really smell anything, but it is very sticky. So I feel like just the color alone and the stickiness will attract the bugs. It says that it will attract fruit flies, flies, and mosquitoes, as well as wasps. So we'll see if it attracts anything. So this is our bug catcher. We already got 2 buggies on. I'm gonna go put it in our windowsill by our compost, and hopefully we catch some more. Okay, I think I know what this one is. Yes! Okay, this is my shepherd's hook. I got these to hang our little bird feeders, bird houses. So we'll go ahead and put this together. But overall, it's a nice matte finish, and I got the tallest one that they have. So I hope it comes together really well. It looks like it's just broken out into pieces, and then you kind of just screw everything in. So there's a few different pieces here. It came nicely packaged. I got the nice matte black one. It's angled at the end to be able to put it into the ground. Oh. Doesn't look like there's any directions, but I guess you just use your brain to figure it out. So what's really cool about Temu is they do offer free shipping and free returns up to 90 days. So if you aren't happy with your product, you can always return it. I'm really happy with everything I've gotten so far, especially for the price that they're at, because it's very affordable. I don't know how to do it. Oh, I think you like this. Oh. My husband's gonna laugh at me when he watches this and sees me confused by how to set this up, because it's not that hard. But they have free returns up to 90 days, and I've liked everything a lot so far. I'm excited to like put it all out and set it up, but I think it's gonna be really cool. This was our Temu unboxing. I had a lot of fun opening these things. I'm really happy with all of the products that I got. I think all of them are at a really good price value, and you'll still receive 50% off if you do download the app and use my code listed here. I'll also link everything that we went over today in the description down below, along with the description, a link, and the pricing, so you can grab your own. I had a lot of fun with this video today. If you've purchased things from Temu that you really like, go ahead and comment them down below. I'd love to share some of the cool gardening, homesteading, and general objects that are pretty cool and things that might be great for gifts come the holiday seasons. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys again next time. Bye.